Today, I'm not only going to show you, but I'm going to give you a free template on exactly what I use as a college senior to stay organized in school. This is my student dashboard that I created in Notion. Notion has quickly become my second brain, as it's not only home to a lot of my schoolwork, but my personal projects as well. The first area is my assignments hub. Here, I can quickly add assignments as I hear about them in class. I can easily see what I have due today, tomorrow, and throughout the rest of the week. This helps me stay organized and on top of all of my assignments. Along with this, I have an overdue section that all of my overdue assignments go to. One of my favorite parts about this area is my due next section. The due next section is all of my projects and assignments that don't necessarily have a due date, but that I want to get done in the near future. All of my assignments are organized by due date, by the class that it is, and how important it is to accomplish. All my assignments are automatically organized so that I don't have to categorize them myself. This helps me ensure that I'm doing all of my assignments and staying on top of all of my work in a timely manner. The next area is my quick notes area. Here I have easy access to any of the notes that I tend to need throughout the day. The first one is my class notes. Here I can easily access my class notes and jot things down as I need to. The next area is my habit tracker, brought to you by Thomas Frank. Things that get tracked get improved. If you want to improve your life, you have to be tracking your daily habits to set you up for success. Along with this, one of the most important things for me as a college student is keeping an organized shopping list. You can have items saved that you frequently used before so that you can easily add them to your list as you run out. One of my favorite areas on this whole dashboard is my sticky notes area. Here, I can easily jot down a quick note or do a daily to-do list. It's more of whatever I need throughout that day. With the simple push of a button, I can easily clear that note and start a new one. The next area is my monthly assignment calendar. Here I get a good overview about exactly what I have coming up and how many assignments I need to accomplish for the coming weeks. This helps me stay on top of all my work and plan ahead of time so that I make sure I have time for everything that I need to get done. The final area is links to all of my projects. Like I said before, Notion is home to many of my personal projects. Those that I access frequently get a spot in this section. Along with this, I've included a book list. This is a simple book list that you can use to keep track of your progress throughout books and maybe even add a little bit of reflection. That's what I like to do at least. You get a good overview of how many books you've read across the course of a year or even greater. Pretty much anything that I need quick access to that isn't within the template will go here. As you can see, this dashboard is a great automatic way to stay organized when it comes to school, work, social life, any personal projects, and everything else that you have going on in your busy life. This template was inspired by Thomas Frank. A link to him will be down in the description below. If you got value from watching this, check out my next video on how I use this dashboard along with 2 other apps to stay organized and plan my day as a college student.